Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamesia Capri, the Nurse Practitioner Extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, 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 welcome. So today I'm going to do a review on 2 blow dryers that I use for my 4C natural hair. If you're interested, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamesia Capri, the Nurse Practitioner Extraordinaire, and I am a full-time family nurse practitioner, and I'm also an associate professor online. And today I'm going to talk about something more personal, which is my 4C natural hair. And most of you guys know that I am a natural girl, and so today I'm going to talk to you guys about some blow dryers that I use, because for 4C natural hair, it's a little bit difficult sometimes finding something or tools that work for you. And I'm a lazy natural. Like, I don't want to do a lot of work just to get it done. And it's a lot of work, but I don't want that. So I don't always wear my hair out because it's a lot of work. So I wanted to come on today though, because there are some tools that you can use. Oh, girl. There are some tools that you can use that make the process easier. And I've been using blow dryer brushes to brush my hair out. And I was so excited to get another blow dryer brush by Hot and Gold. And I was like, okay, I'm going to try this because I might want to give my just stop using the Revlon one. And I was excited about it. And so I wanted to share it with you 4C Naturals out there, because I did blow dry my hair, as you can see. And this side right here, guys, you see how it is? Like, it's like puffy, like, it's puffy, which is fine, because I don't want it straight, because it's just going to get braided. I'm just going to braid it down and do my crochet braids. But this side is, as you can see, it's just slicker. It's just slicker, right? And so I'm going to show you the blow dryers, and then I'll tell you which side was which, because I felt this was kind of like trash. I felt this was trash because I'm going to end up putting it in a ponytail, and this side's going to be up, this side's going to be flat because I'm not doing it again. Maybe I'll go through with the other one. So first I'm going to show you the actual blow dryers. This is going to be quick. I'm not going to draw it out. But, and I might put some footage in here showing you me blow drying my hair, because I did take some footage. But this is the Revlon one. And guys, don't judge me, but it's looking quite crazy because I use it a lot. This one I like a lot. And I like it, but I noticed that it only blows hot from the top. So it only, I have to tilt it and do a little bit more hand work. But the actual blow dryer works. It gets pretty hot. And I was thinking, well, it's getting hot. I don't know if it's damaging my hair, like my curl pattern or whatever. But I'm like, I like it. I like it. It works for me. I'm not blowing my hair out for like an hour, because it's thick. So I like it. And it's like 20 minutes, y'all. Love it. But Hot and Gold products are, to me, are made more so for African-American people, and they just kind of hit it right. They really get it right. So I was like, I'm going to get the Hot and Gold one, and I did. And it looks like this. Y'all, I don't normally do like hair product reviews, but this is the Hot and Gold one. You guys notice that it's like round all the way around. It's round. And so I was doing my hair, and I noticed that, for one, it's heavy, and my arm got a little bit tired because my hair it's thick. So my arm got a little bit tired, for one. And for two, it stayed on top of my head. It didn't go down like into my hair. It stayed on top. So without no further ado, of course, I like one more than the other. And one works far better than the other, which is the the Revlon. The Revlon worked. The Revlon did this side. So this side is smooth, like down. And then the Hot and Gold did this side. And I was like, bruh, I don't know. So it took me probably 2 passes. Like, y'all, look at that, 2 passes. And my hair, I'll insert some type of picture with the original texture, because my hair is 4C for real, like 4C, 4Z, whatever y'all call it or whatever. Just, I mean, you know, we have these hair typing type things or whatever in the natural hair community. But yeah, let's see. See what I'm talking about? How it's like right here like that? No bueno. Because I kind of want it to be, you know, I'm not going to like press it out or anything, but I want it to be a little bit flatter. But am I going to put more heat right there? I don't know. I don't know that I will. I don't know that I will. I'll just be looking crazy for a couple minutes. But anyway, I just put it in a little bun or whatever. So hands down, the Revlon one, which really surprised me. Look, y'all see that? I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to do it, but I might. Who knows? Sometimes I have one lash up like that, and I'm like, I'm done. But anyway, so yeah, Revlon hands down. And when I thought about it, I was like, Revlon is really not for us, but it hits the mark when it comes to my 4C hair. And the Hot and Gold I thought would be a hit. It's not a hit. It's trash. I don't say spend your money on it. It was like $50. The Revlon one was cheaper. I don't know the exact price, but I know it was cheaper than that. It was not $50. But if it was $50, it's worth every $50 that is worth it, because it just glides through your 4C hair. Of course, you got to start from the tips and go up. Of course, the natural, you know, the actual way that you should do your hair properly so that it works out for you. But yeah, Hot and Gold. No, it's no bueno for me, not for us. It might work for a different texture of hair, but nope. So anyway, that's it, guys. I just wanted to share that with you. If you are on your 4C hair and you're on your lazy natural time and you just want to get it done, then definitely the Revlon handheld brush blow dryer. I'm done with this whole head of hair in like 20 minutes. Like, seriously, guys, it's crazy. So I just wanted to share that with you. All right, guys, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.